Hello everyone and welcome to the project Credit Card Fraud Detection Project using PyCaret. In this project, we aim to identify whether a credit card transaction is fraudulent or genuine using credit card and transaction details. The dataset used for this project was originally provided as part of a Kaggle competition a few years ago, and we have taken the dataset and related information from there. Now, let us understand the motivation and need for this project. It is very important for credit card companies to detect fraudulent transactions so that customers are not charged for purchases they did not make. In today's digital world, fraud transactions are quite common, and many people may have experienced or heard about unauthorized transactions carried out by third parties. Because of this, detecting and preventing such frauds becomes a critical task. So, what is a credit card fraud transaction? A fraudulent transaction is an unauthorized transaction made using a credit card. This can happen when a card is physically stolen or when card details are accessed illegally through methods like hacking or skimming. These stolen details are then used to make payments or withdraw money, making fraud detection a very important real-world problem. To solve this problem, we use a concept called anomaly detection, also known as outlier analysis. An anomaly is something that deviates from normal behavior. In this case, fraudulent transactions behave differently compared to normal ones, and our goal is to identify these unusual patterns. Traditional methods like Z-score and interquartile range can be used to detect outliers, but they are time-consuming and not very efficient for large datasets. Therefore, we use machine learning techniques such as isolation forest, one-class SVM, and local outlier factor, which are more effective in identifying anomalies. However, building these models manually can still be complex. To simplify this process, we use automated machine learning or AutoML, which helps automate data preprocessing, model building, and evaluation. In this project, we use PyCaret, which is an open-source, low-code machine learning library in Python. PyCaret allows us to move from data preparation to model deployment quickly and efficiently using just a few lines of code. It is easy to use, increases productivity, and is business ready, meaning models can be deployed easily in real-world applications. It also provides good model explainability. Finally, let's look at the workflow of this project. First, we perform data analysis to understand the data distribution and relationships. Then, we build machine learning models to detect fraud. After that, we use PyCaret to automate the entire process and improve efficiency. By the end of this project, you will be able to understand and implement a credit card fraud detection system on your own. Thank you.